Hey everybody, this is Coach Jared Snyder, and this video is going to be about one health tip. I'm going to start doing this series of one health tip a day that helps me on my health and fitness journey. A little bit about me: I am a dad. I have 4 children. I have 2 that have older sons that have ADHD. I have a younger daughter that has autism, and so I have a busy life, man, and I have to stay active because with my daughter that has autism, she's on the go, on the go, on the go, and the ages of my kids are 13, which is my oldest son, 10, my second son, and third is my first daughter, and my second daughter is she is 5. Their names are, my oldest is Dathan, Asher, Azalea, and Magnolia. But anyways, as you can see in previous videos, I work out a lot, and my health tip of the day is what helps me get ready and just go for the workouts is making sure that I am getting enough quality rest. I will be 40 in October, so one thing that keeps me going is just getting rest. Making sure that I get enough sleep so that my body can perform at its best and that I feel like I have energy. If because we all know that when you're tired, it just drags you down and you just don't have, you don't want to do much of anything. You just want to lay around and not do a lot. But with me having to be active, I try so hard, either going to bed a little bit earlier or taking advantage of days that the kids might not have school, sleeping in. But my number one tip to you, if you're in health and fitness, make sure that you are getting plenty of sleep and regularly, that you're getting plenty of sleep. One thing I like to do too is I have a Fitbit, and I have it track my sleep so that I know if I'm getting quality sleep. So, say I wake up at 6 hours, I'm still feeling groggy. And if I can, I'll be like, oh, okay, I need to shoot for another hour or two. And then, just get it up to 7 or 8 hours, and I'm usually good to go. But my tip of the day is get enough rest and consistently get enough rest, and it will help you succeed with getting that workout in and going through the daily grind. But anyways, my name is Coach Jared Snyder, and if you have not already, please subscribe to my channel, and I will bring you much more, from tips to recipes to whatever, with health and fitness. And take care, God bless, and I love you guys, and keep shooting for your goals.